it's me again, Mary Cris Bron, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello there, welcome to my channel. I am very excited to make this video for you guys because I am going to make this makeup look for you. And if you do like this video, please don't forget to hit the big thumbs up. And if you wanted to see more about me, just maybe don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and please follow me on my social media, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. I would have it all down below. So yeah, if you guys wanted to know how I made this look, just keep on watching. With this look, guys, I'm going to use the Cover FX Anti-Aging Primer. And just put just a tiny little bit. And then I'll be using Maria Badescu skincare spray. And this spray is really good. One of my favorite skincare product. It makes my skin more hydrated during the day, especially on summer, and it's good for all skin types. So yeah, I really recommend this product for you guys. And then I'll be taking the Smashbox Photo Primer Water. And now that my face is ready to go, I'll be using the Fenty Beauty Foundation, and this is in the shade 330. And then I'll be using foundation brush. And then I'll be using my beauty blender to blend everything in. I will be doing my eyebrows off the camera because I will be doing an eyebrow tutorial for you guys very soon. So better watch out for that video. And now that it's finally done, I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape, and this is in the shade 10 Sand. I'll be putting this under my eyes. And then I'll be using my Covergirl Ready Set Gadgets, and this is in the shade medium. I'll be using this one to highlight my nose and forehead. And then I'll be taking Australis Banana Loose Powder, and then I'll be putting this where I put all the concealer using my Eco 2 sponge. I don't really bake so long, so I'll be dusting everything out using my Zoeva brush 135. And then I'll go ahead and do contouring, and for today's contour I'll be using the Anastasia contour kit in medium to 10. I'll be using the darkest shades from the palette, and then I'll be taking this using my BH Cosmetics number 19 brush. Lately guys, I've been loving using my NYX matte bronzing powder, and this is in the shade Deep 10. I'll be using this using my e.l.f. bronzing brush. And to contour my nose, I'll be using my NYX Wonder stick. And I'll be taking my Morphe 164 brush. And then I'll go ahead and do my blush, and for today's blush I'll be using the Sephora Heated Blush. I'll be taking my BH Cosmetics 126 brush. And now that it's good to go, I'll be using my Naked Urban Decay Heat Palette. I'll be taking the shade Slow Blow. Using my Zoeva brush 226. I'll be using this as my transition color. And then I'll be taking Cayenne from the palette, using my 231 Zoeva brush. And using my Zoeva brush 230, I'll be taking the He Devil. And then I'll be using the Scotch from the palette, using my 226 Zoeva brush. And then I'll be using my Kat Von D setting spray. I'll be putting this over my eyelid. And then for my lower lash line, I'll be taking the Low Blow from the palette, using my 237 shade of brush. And then I'll be taking Cayenne from the palette using my Morphe Y21 brush. And then I'll be taking the He Devil from the palette using the same brush. And then I'll be taking my NYX liquid liner. I'll be using my Sephora black eyeliner. And then for my mascara, I'll be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. And then for my eyelashes, I'm going to use my Doll Face Pose Lashes. And then for my highlighter, I'm going to use my Anastasia Glow Kit in Sundipped. I'll be taking the Moonstone from the palette using my fun brush. And then for my inner corner, I'll be using my 238 Zoeva brush. And for my lips, I'm going to use my Australis lip pencil, and this is in a shade Canoodle. And to finish this look, I'll be using my Makeup Forever liquid lipstick. I got two shades right here, and this is in a shade 109 and 103. I'll be mixing this up together. And then I'll be taking my Glam Glow Setting Spray. And that's the end of my tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you very much guys for watching, and thank you very much guys for following me on my social media, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and also for subscribing onto my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.